Hi, my friend. Today we are making a cactus and fish. Here I chopped some cactus. We let it cook for few minutes. And to this I'm gonna add some garlic. I have garbanzo beans here. I have lima beans. I'm gonna mix together some soy sauce. Instead of salt, I use soy sauce. White wine. And dry shrimp. I love the flavor of shrimp in the vegetable, especially when we cook in seafood. This is a great taste. Okay. We let this cook for a few minutes. Okay, I have some oil here, and we have a rectal fish. It's a flat, it's yummy, doesn't have that much bone. So we go here. We're gonna let it fry, so we're gonna have a nice dishes. Okay, we let it cook for like 10-15 minutes until it becomes crispy. Ready. Fish is going to be easy, fast and healthy dinner plate.